The placeholder assets were not animated in a standing position, which is why the character is moving in the animation. We need to fix that by editing the sprite pivot to make sure the sprites align up together. We could either edit the sprite pivot directly, one by one, to the sprite editor. I have an editor extension that I can use instead to simplify the process. Here I'm just going to alter the sprite, making sure it aligns up with the previous sprite. The editor extension I'm using is called the Sprite Pivot Editor. It's available on the App Store if anyone is interested.